shape song. I'm a square, you could see me everywhere. I have 4 sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have only 1 side. I'm a circle round and round. I'm a triangle, I'm a pointy little shape. I have 3 sides. I'm a triangle. Do you want to learn more shapes, my friends? All right, let's learn more shapes. I'm a rectangle, like a really long square. I have 4 sides. I'm a rectangle. I'm a star, in the sky so far. I have 5 pointy arms. I'm a star. I'm a heart, I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a really lovely shape. I'm a heart. I'm a diamond, you could see me on your ring. I'm so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond. A heart has curvy shapes. Heart. Good job. Remember, my friend, which shape this one is? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little arms, pointy arms. Do you remember? You're right, it's a star. Can you say star? Star, a blue star, just like in the sky. Are you ready for the next shape? Can you guess which one this one is? It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all the same. They're all the same length. That's right, it's a square. A blue square. Good job. You ready for the next one? Okay, let's go. Well, this one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 2 are shorter and 2 are longer. And you could put it this way like a door or like this. It's a rectangle, you're right. A purple rectangle. Great job. But this one, it has 1, 2, 3 sides, 3 pointy points. It looks like a teepee also. What is it? That's right, it's a triangle. Triangle. Great job. We have one more shape to do. Can you guess which one that is? It's a really big shape. I made it into a really big shape, and it kind of looks like a wheel. Let's see if you know. That's right, it's a circle. It's a round shape called a circle. Just like a pizza shape or a pancake shape. About this shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides also. You're right, my friends. It's a diamond shape. It's not like a square with the 4 sides or a rectangle because it's pointy on the top and the bottom. It's a diamond. Can you say diamond? Very good. Diamond. Purple diamond. Good job. So many shapes. There's more shapes in these, but these are just a few of them. What's your favorite shape? Mine is a star shape. That's my favorite shape, the star.